Hello guys, hopefully everyone is fine. In this video, we are going to discuss about read and write operations in files. They are also known as binary file operations. These are binary file operations. How does it work out? Firstly, I'll talk about a write operation. Guys, write operation is also implementable for offstream class, and we have read operations. Read operations are applicable for if stream class. If I want to write anything into the file, so how does it work out? We have to firstly create an offstream object, and then obviously have to write using write operation. There's a different ways of writing it. Let's say I just create offstream class object. I'll just create offstream object, then I want to write it using a particular file name and a certain thing. So I'll just write obj.open, and I have to write the file name, let's say abc dot, let's say dat. Fine. So this is how I have created a particular file abc.dat, guys. Now, what happens in this, if I want to write any kind of answers or any kind of things, so I will have to write it using this operation directly. I cannot write it using extraction operator earlier, sorry, insertion operator, whatever we have used. I have to use it, use write operation for it, obj.write. Then again, we have character star. This is something which is already a syntax that we are going to apply, and it takes whatever variable. If let's say we are taking name, we are going to write it name, and as well as size of name. That's how it works out, guys. So over here, the first argument tells the address of memory block from where the data is written. So whatever data we are going to write, it will give you the address of memory block. And second is it displays, obviously, it takes the size of the number of bytes to be transferred. So how does it work out? We can implement using the implementation part. Okay. So let's say I'll just create, let's say we have a main program, and I write character name 20, and I write int roll number, right? So I have to create offstream class. I'm creating offstream obj and abc.dat, right? I give the name value as, let's say, Chirag, and a roll number as 100, right? So I'll just try to implement this only, but if I have to write, I will have to write using obj.write, and same thing, character star, that is typecasting. It gives the address of, let's say, name, and it takes the size of name as well. That's how it works out, obj.write. And it will take the value of name and it will write into the file. Same applies with whatever, if you want to do with roll number, you have to do it like that only. So from the particular example, it will be more clearer. Program is created. Let's say a program name is binary file operations, binary operations, right? So character name, name one, float, float marks. Guys, I am going to create an offstream class, offstream obj, and I'm writing a class named binary, right? Dot dat, and I am opening this in binary mode. Although you can skip it, but again, that's how it works out. Obj, I have to get the value of name, and let's say I'll get the value of roll number, right? Now, we have created this offstream class. I have taken the values over here of stream obj. I want to write obj dot write. So in this, the syntax is clear, which is we have to put character star, fine, and it gives address of name, and the second argument is size of name is passed. This is one name it is writing, and it is also going to write the roll number also. So I'm just putting a roll, and I am putting a roll over here as well, right? So I'm closing this function, fine, and I'm putting that ch. So if I'm going to execute this whole particular part, it will ask me the name and it will ask me the roll number. Guys, let me just clarify you. My name will be printed as such in the file. It will say Chirag, and 102 will be by default converted into a sky character of 102, which is D is 100, E is 101, and F. We'll see F over there in the file as well. So just see how it works out. And we have a binary file name, and just see Chirag is written and F is also written. So guys, similarly, I can read from the file also. All I need to do is I have to use if stream class. I'll create obj1 as an if stream object. Obj1 dot open. I'm going to open it in open this file in binary mode as well as in mode. I can write it like that as well. So I'm going to open this binary file, and here you go. Binary file is opened. I want to read obj1 dot read. Ditto same thing I can read. Yeah. Now guys, see over here what I'm reading. I'm reading name one, and I'm reading role one. Although I've not given value to read one and role one, I'm reading them because I'm reading from the file. So in the from the file, it will read name one, which is character, which will be Chirag, and role number one, which was 102, which was F. It will read that as well, and it will display the value of name as well as role one. Just see how it works out. And I'm going to close this one, obj1 dot close. Let's see how it works out. I'm writing Chirag and 102. 102 will be F. See, it will display Chirag and 102. It is displaying name one as well as roll number one because it has read from the file successfully. And if you want to see the file is there, and you have just see Chirag and F are the part of the file name. That's how it works out, guys. Any kind of doubt, kindly post it in comment section. Kindly like, share, and subscribe and support us in our initiative. Thank you.